Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right app and permissions. This is the fastest path to automation. Install an auto-clicker that supports coordinate input and repeat loops, then open Grow a Garden Mobile and go straight to the screen where you tap repeatedly. Once there, allow accessibility or overlay access so the tool can run reliably. Next, set a short test. Choose one small target, set a 0, 5 to 1, 0-second interval, and run a 5-second test to confirm touches land exactly where you need them. Once done with permissions, configure the tap pattern to match the game's routine. Use multi-point recording or manually input coordinates for seeds, harvest, and menus, aligning each point visually. This ensures accuracy. Then set interval timing and total loops. If the clicker offers slight random variance, enable a small jitter to mimic natural input. Make sure to lock screen orientation and enable Do Not Disturb so notifications do not shift touch targets or pause the session. And you're ready to run a monitored session. Start it while watching closely to catch misaligned taps or missed animations. If everything hits correctly, extend the duration to cover your farming cycle and save the profile so you can reuse settings later. Make adjustments for in-game lag by increasing intervals slightly, and export the profile if supported. If things go wrong, recalibrate coordinates, verify accessibility permissions, and disable other overlays or floating widgets that steal touch focus. This one troubleshooting step fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.